Alright, in this video I'll show you how to clear cache and cookies in the Brave browser step by step. This is useful if a website isn't loading properly or if you just want to free up some space and protect your privacy. So let's get started. First, open your Brave browser. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and click on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now on the left-hand side, find and click on Privacy and Security. This is where all your browsing data settings are located. Once you're here, look for the option that says Delete Browsing Data and click on it. A new window will pop up. At the top, you'll see a time range option. You can choose how far back you want to clear your data. For example, the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If you want a full reset, just select All Time. Now below that, make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are both checked. Quick tip, cookies store login information and site preferences, while cache stores temporary files to help websites load faster. Clearing them can fix issues, but you may need to log back into some websites afterward. Once you've selected everything you want, go ahead and click the Clear Data button. Give it a few seconds, and that's it. Your cache and cookies are now cleared. Also, if you switch to the Advanced tab at the top, you'll find more options like browsing history, download history, and saved passwords, so you can be more selective about what you remove. And here's a faster method if you want to save time in the future. You can press Ctrl+Shift+Delete, and it will instantly open the same clear browsing data window. That's basically it. You now know how to quickly clear cache and cookies in Brave. If this helped, feel free to check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.